Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Yesterday we completed theorem 10.2. So continue the theorem 10.3 in circles chapter. So I am requesting you, all of you, come on live interaction. So if you come in live interaction, do you have any doubt? You can clarify your doubts. And all of you write the online exam in this Saturday. Must be write the exam, submitting in time. So these are the important things. So here today continue the class theorem 10.3. Theorem 10.3 says that the perpendicular from the center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. So here given that, so he is given that, so here this is the circle, this is the center O. This is the center O. The perpendicular from the center of circle to the chord. This is the chord AB. This is the AB. So here on perpendicular from the center of the circle. So from the perpendicular from to center. This is M. It is given that it is perpendicular. So this perpendicular bisect the chord. This perpendicular OM bisects AB. OM bisects AB. So here the perpendicular OM is bisect the AB. First of all, what are the given? So here given. So O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and OM is perpendicular to AB. So here OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. So this is given. To prove here, what is the OM bisects AB. OM bisects AB. So here OM bisects AB. OM bisects AB. So OM is bisects AB. That means the AB that divides perpendicular OM in two equal parts. OM divides the AB, that is two equal parts. Therefore, AM equal to BM. You can show that AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. So here is proof. So join OA, OB. Join OA and OB. So here this is OA and OB. So join OA and OB. So come to the here. So in triangle AMO and triangle BMO. Triangle AMO and triangle BMO. It is given that, so here triangle AMO and triangle BMO. These two triangles. So OA OA equal to OB. Here OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. So here OA and OB are this is the one radius, this is the another radius. So both are the radii in the same circle. Radii in same circle. And another one is angle AMO. Angle AMO equal to angle BMO. See, OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. Angle AMO equal to angle BMO. So each 90 degrees. Each 90 degrees. The third one is OM. So angle AMO, OA is completed. Next, this is angle is completed. The remaining is OM. So here OM equal to. So here also OB is completed. This is the angle. Here OM. OM equal to OM. It is common. It is common side of both triangles. So therefore, triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. So which criteria here? This is the right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. So here, according to RHS congruency rule, these two are congruent. These two are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent. Their corresponding sides are equal. Their corresponding angles also equal. So OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, and OM is common. The third side is AM equal to BM. See, AM equal to BM. The condition is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. So here AM equal to BM means AB bisects OM is bisect AB. Therefore OM is bisects AB. So this is the proof of theorem 10.3. So here once again I am explaining. It is given that OM is perpendicular AB. AB is the chord. So OM is to prove OM bisects AB. That means AM equal to BM. So join OA and OB. So in triangle AMO and triangle BMO, triangle AMO and triangle BMO. So OA equal to OB, radii in same circle, and angle AMO equal to angle BMO is 90 degrees. OM third condition is OM equal to OM, that is the common side. So here according to RHS congruency rule, triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. So AM equal to BM, that is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore OM bisects AB. So this is the proof of theorem 10.3. This is the proof of theorem 10.3. So theorem 10.4, a line drawn through the center of a circle to the bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So this line drawn from center of the circle to the opposite chord. So this chord is this line is divide the chord AB to equal parts, that is AM equal to BM. Bisects means they are given that bisect. This line is divide the chord to equal parts. Bisects means to equal parts. So here OM divides the chord AB equal to equal parts. OM bisects AB means OM bisects AB means so that is AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. So what is the given here? Given, so here O is the center of circle, O is the center of circle, O is the center of circle, and OM bisects AB. So here OM bisects AB. So that means OM bisects AB means that is AM equal to BM. This is the given. To prove, so here this line is perpendicular to the chord. This line, what is the line? OM is perpendicular to the AB. OM is perpendicular to the AB. So here OM is perpendicular to the AB. OM is perpendicular to the AB. So this is the given. This is the given information. So here OM is perpendicular to the AB. So come to the proof. So here proof, join OA and OB, join OA and OB, OA and OB. So here join OA and OB. So now these two triangles, triangle AMO and triangle BMO. This is the one triangle AMO and triangle BMO. Take these two triangles. So here these two triangles, triangle AMO and triangle BMO. Triangle AMO and triangle BMO. So here triangle AMO and triangle BMO, in these two triangles, so here AO equal to BO, so radii in same circle region, radii in same circle, this is the region, and OM equal to OM. So here OA equal to OB. These two are radius. So these are the radius means these two are this OA equal to OB. These two are radius. So here OM equal to OM. These two triangles. In these two triangles, OM is the common side. OM is the common side. OM is the common side. And he is given that AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. So it is given. It is given. So in these two triangles, triangle AMO and triangle BMO. So triangle AMO, triangle BMO, OA equal to OB, OM equal to OM, and AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. So here this is the side, common side and side. So therefore triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. That is congruence rule is triple S, side. So this is the side. These two triangles are congruent. So when these two triangles are congruent, So here the corresponding angles. So angle AOM equal to angle BOM. This angles. Angle AOM equal to angle BOM. Angle AMO equal to angle BMO. Angle AMO equal to angle BMO. It is given that therefore angle AMO equal to angle BMO. So what is the reason here? CPCT. CPCT. So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So here angle AMO equal to angle BMO. So what is the reason here? CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruence triangle. So here angle AMO equal to angle BMO. So come to the here. So angle next angle AMO plus angle BMO equal to 180 degrees. It's a linear pair. So angle AMO means this angle AMO means this angle BMO means this angle. Angle AMO plus angle BMO equal to 180 degrees. It is a linear pair. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So in these two equations, so here from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we can take, instead of AMO, we can take BMO. Instead of BMO, we can take AMO. From 1 and 2, so angle AMO, instead of BMO equal to AMO, we can write AMO. Angle AMO equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times of angle AMO equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. See, angle AMO equal to 180 by 2. 180 by 2. So here AMO equal to 90 degrees. AMO equal to 90 degrees. So angle AMO equal to 90 degrees. So here angle AMO equal to angle BMO also 90 degrees. Angle BMO also 90 degrees. So here this is 90 degrees. Angle AMO equal to 90 degrees. Angle BMO also 90 degrees. Angle AMO equal to 90 degrees. Angle BMO also 90 degrees. So here, what can we write here? These two are 90 degrees means, so here OM is perpendicular to curved AB. So therefore OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to OB. So this is the proof of the theorem 10. This is the proof of theorem 10.4. So what's here? The line draws from the center of the circle. This is the line. Bisect the chord. So bisects. That means AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM. To prove the chord is perpendicular to the chord is perpendicular to the bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So here this is the so OM is perpendicular to AB. Join OA and OB, triangle AMO and triangle BMO. So take these two triangles, AO equal to BO, OM equal to OM, AM equal to BM. So according to the side, these two triangles are congruous. So two triangles are congruous, angle AMO equal to angle BMO. So these two angles are equal, that is the CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here angle AMO plus angle BMO. Angle AMO. So this angle plus angle BMO. This angle. These two angles are in linear pair. This angles of angle AMO plus angle BMO could 180 degrees from 1 and 2. Angle AMO plus angle AM 180 degrees. 2 times of angle AMO equal to 180. AM equal to 180 by 2 and AM equal to 90. BMO also AMO equal to BMO. So here AMO equal to BMO. So angle BMO equal to 90 degrees. Therefore OM is perpendicular to AB. So this is the proof of theorem 10.4. Okay children. So today homework is you practice the theorem 10.3, theorem 10.3 and 10.4, theorem 10.2, 10.3 and 10.4 two times. Okay children, we will meet the next session. Thank you. Do you have any doubt? Call my number. My number is 966 00 636. Thank you children. We will meet the next session. Thank you.